Welcome to our guide on creating the ultimate luxury bathroom. Let's explore this beautiful space. A truly luxurious bathroom is more than just a functional room. It is your personal daily sanctuary. Discover how to transform your ordinary bathroom into an extraordinary retreat of comfort and style. What defines luxury in bathroom design? It is the perfect harmony of premium materials and space. Luxury style prioritizes a spacious, open layout that allows for effortless movement and relaxation. It is about recreating the serene, rejuvenating experience of a high-end spa within your own home. The true essence of luxury lies in the flawless execution of every single detail, no matter how small. A sculptural freestanding bathtub is the ultimate centerpiece, offering a striking visual focal point. Expansive walk-in showers with seamless glass enclosures provide a sleek, uninterrupted aesthetic. Dual vanities offer unmatched convenience and personal space, a must-have for a truly luxurious suite. Start with a neutral foundation. Soft beiges, creams, and off-whites create a timeless and airy atmosphere. Incorporate warm earth tones, rich wood grains, and taupe hues add a layer of organic comfort to the design. A monochromatic white palette exudes pure elegance, making any bathroom feel instantly larger and more refined. Don't fear darker tones. Charcoal or matte black accents provide a striking contrast and a modern, high-end feel. Subtle metallic touches in gold or brass add a hint of glamour without overwhelming the space. Marble is the ultimate luxury material. Its natural veining and polished finish bring unparalleled grandeur. High-end wood finishes, like oak or walnut, introduce warmth and a tactile, organic quality to your design. Use frameless glass to create a sense of openness, allowing the beauty of your materials to shine through. Select consistent, high-quality metal finishes like brushed nickel or polished chrome for a cohesive, polished look. Large format porcelain tiles offer a sleek, seamless look that is both highly durable and incredibly luxurious. Layer your lighting. Combine overhead ambient lights with wall sconces and hidden LED strips for a versatile, glowing atmosphere. Minimize visual clutter with clever hidden storage. Sleek, handleless cabinets keep your everyday items neatly out of sight. Install oversized statement mirrors. They not only provide functionality, but also instantly double the visual size of the room. Invest in hidden comfort. Radiant heated floors and sleek towel warmers elevate your daily routine to a true spa level. Bring a touch of nature indoors. A simple potted plant or fresh flowers adds life and softness to hard stone surfaces. Incorporate elegant seating. A small bench or a plush velvet stool provides a convenient spot to relax and prepare for the day. Utilize built-in architectural niches. They offer a highly practical and aesthetically pleasing way to display your bath products. Choose elegant window treatments. Motorized sheer shades or frosted glass allow abundant natural light while ensuring privacy. Embrace the power of symmetry. A perfectly balanced layout creates an immediate sense of calm, order, and refined elegance. Ensure hardware cohesion. Matching your faucets, cabinet pulls, and towel bars unifies the entire design flawlessly. Less is more. Keep decor strictly minimal to maintain a clean, uncluttered, and incredibly relaxing environment. Create seamless floor transitions. A flush threshold enhances the open, expansive feel of your master suite. Integrate subtle smart technology. A sleek digital shower interface adds modern convenience without visual clutter. Soften hard architectural surfaces with luxurious textiles. Thick, plush cotton towels and mats add essential comfort. Ultimately, designing a luxury bathroom is about crafting your own personal, peaceful retreat from the outside world. By choosing high-quality, timeless materials, you ensure your space remains beautifully relevant for years to come. Every element, from the layout to the smallest hardware finish, should work together in perfect visual harmony. The right combination of lighting, materials, and space transforms a simple daily routine into a rejuvenating ritual. Whether it is a quick morning shower or a long evening soak, your bathroom should always feel like a 5-star spa. Thank you for joining our luxury bathroom tour. Start planning your dream sanctuary today.